Welcome to a Disney point of view ride experience from the Magic Travel Guide. Today we head to the France Pavilion and World Showcase at EPCOT to take in Remy's Ratatouille adventure. The ride officially opened on October 1st, 2021. You'll feel like you've shrunk down to Chef Remy's size for a 4D culinary adventure based on the Disney and Pixar film Ratatouille. When you're small, life is a big adventure. Now guests do wear 3D glasses when they ride Remy's Ratatouille adventure, so some scenes may seem a little blurry as you rewatch the ride.
They got to go backwards. And here we go.
Voilà, venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. The Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Des invités pour le dîner.
Yes, but what to prepare? Hein? Pour le repas idéal, coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it!
Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you. Neil!
Et voici, plastic perfect!
Oh, est en salle.
Oui, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous?
Dépêchez-vous, voici. Go, go.
Come
Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguy.com.